WPCodeBox 1.2 is now available, and we're excited to share all the new features that this release includes. Some of these new features include snippet revisions, exporting and importing snippets, Markdown support, rendering CSS in Gutenberg, and more. This is Kevin from WPCodeBox. Let's get coding. First up, snippet revisions. With snippet revisions, you can review changes that were made to your snippets and restore them with just a few clicks. Let's check this out by opening a snippet that we recently changed. And if we click the plus revisions button in the edit snippet panel, we'll see all the available revisions for that snippet. We can add a note to any of our revisions to keep track of important changes. At the top of the editor, we can close the revision or delete it. Within the editor, we'll see all the changes that were made for that revision. We can then decide to restore some or all of that revision as we need. We can also click the light bulb icon next to any removed code to copy it and reuse it or even restore it. Under WPCodeBox settings, we can set the revision limit. It's default to 10, but you can change it to whatever you'd like. One new feature we're really excited about is snippet URLs. This means that you can copy any snippet URL and bookmark it or save it for later to navigate to it in a click. The next feature allows you to disable overlays. In the settings page of WPCodeBox, you can now enable the Disable Editor Token Hover option, and this will disable various overlays that are showing in the editor if you don't want those. Now, let's talk about importing and exporting snippets. Previously, you could use WPCodeBox Cloud to manage your snippets and upload and download them to different sites. Now, you can export and import snippets and folders with just a few clicks. This gives you two great ways to manage your snippets and move them about. WPCodeBox is excited to introduce a new snippet type, the Markdown snippet. The Markdown snippet is another great tool to help document your snippets, making it easier for other team members or clients to know what everything does. Plus, with snippets now having specific URLs, you can link to that snippet from anywhere. Now, we're very excited to announce a new display location for CSS files right within the Gutenberg editor. With this option, you can set CSS snippets to display on the front end and the Gutenberg editor. This is perfect for letting you and your clients see how the CSS impacts their designs right within Gutenberg. No need to tab back and forth between the editor and the front end. WPCodeBox 1.2 also includes a variety of other tweaks and fixes, making it better than ever. View the complete changelog and download the latest version at WPCodeBox.com.